Still waiting 30 minutes for your oven to preheat just to make crispy fries? There's a smarter way to cook, and it fits right on your countertop. In this video, we're breaking down the best air fryers you can buy right now, covering capacity, cooking functions, smart features, and value so you can stop guessing and start cooking. Let's get into it. Number 1. Cosori Turbo Blaze Air Fryer. The Cosori Turbo Blaze Air Fryer is our top overall pick, and the name gives away the main reason why its Turbo Blaze high-speed DC motor pushes hot air faster and more evenly than most competitors in the 6 quarts category. The temperature range runs from 90°F to 450°F, which gives you serious flexibility from gentle proofing to full-blast crisping. The non-stick ceramic-coated basket is easy to clean, and the touch panel controls are intuitive enough for anyone to pick up quickly. It runs quieter than you'd expect for how fast it cooks. The best overall air fryer for everyday cooking: fast, quiet, and reliable. Next up, the Instant Vortex Plus brings the trusted Instant Pot brand into the air fryer space with 6 cooking functions: air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, all in a 6 quarts basket. The Even Crisp airflow technology keeps food consistently golden without hot spots, and the one-touch smart programs make it easy to use without reading a manual. The standout feature here is the odor erase filter system, which cuts down on cooking smells that can linger in your kitchen after frying. It's a thoughtful touch that makes a real difference in smaller spaces. A great everyday family air fryer from a brand you already trust. Number 3. Ninja XL Air Fryer. The Ninja XL Air Fryer is built for one thing above all else: getting food as crispy as possible, as fast as possible. With a max temperature of 450°F and a generous 5 quarts non-stick XL basket, it handles everything from frozen wings to fresh cut fries, with that deep-fried texture without the oil. The 4 cooking functions cover the essentials: air fry, air roast, reheat, and dehydrate, keeping the experience clean and focused. If you're not interested in extra features and just want maximum crunch, Ninja delivers. The best pick for anyone obsessed with extra crispy results. Number 4. Chefman Air Fryer. The Chefman Air Fryer keeps things refreshingly simple with a clean digital touchscreen and a 6 quarts dishwasher-safe non-stick basket that makes cleanup genuinely painless. The star feature is the high fry technology, which pushes crisping performance beyond what standard air fryers in this range typically deliver. It's designed for people who want good results without a complicated setup: no app, no Wi-Fi, no learning curve. Just set it, cook it, and clean it up in minutes. A user-friendly pick that punches above its price for simple daily cooking. Coming in at number 5, the Cuisinart Air Fryer ditches the basket format entirely and goes full toaster oven, giving you air fry, toast, bake, and broil, all in one large countertop unit. If you've been running multiple appliances to do what this one machine handles, this is the upgrade that clears the clutter. The accessories are dishwasher safe, and the oven-style format means you can cook bigger batches than a standard basket air fryer allows. It's the kind of appliance that earns its counter space by replacing 3 or 4 others. The best pick for anyone wanting one machine that does everything. Number 6. Emerald Air Fryer. The Emerald Air Fryer is a serious piece of kitchen equipment a 26 quarts French door air fryer oven with 20+ cooking presets covering air fry, bake, toast, roast, and even rotisserie. If you're cooking for a large family or doing weekly meal prep, this is the capacity and versatility you've been looking for. The French door design makes it easier to access food without tilting a heavy door forward, which is a smart practical touch. At 26 quarts, there's very little you can't fit inside. The best pick for large households and serious meal preppers. Number 7. Chefman Turbo Fry 8 quarts air fryer. The Chefman Turbo Fry 8 quarts steps up from the standard Chefman with a larger 8 quarts basket that's genuinely family-sized enough to cook a full batch of chicken wings or a big serving of fries without splitting into 2 rounds. The digital touchscreen is clean and easy to navigate, and the dishwasher safe basket makes post-dinner cleanup fast. The shake reminder feature is a small but useful touch that nudges you to flip food mid-cook for even crisping. It's affordable, practical, and sized for a family without breaking the budget. The best family-size air fryer for the price. Number 8. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer is in a category of its own, a premium brushed stainless steel countertop oven with 13 cooking functions and Element IQ technology that distributes heat precisely where the food needs it. The super convection setting pushes air fast enough to truly rival traditional frying for crispiness. With roughly 1 cubic foot of interior space and a full LCD display, this is the kind of machine that professional home cooks dream about. It's an investment, but everything about it feels worth the price. The best premium air fryer for serious home cooks who want the absolute best. Number 9. Tyfer Sync AI Smart Air Fryer. The Tyfer Sync AI Smart Air Fryer brings genuine smart cooking to the 8 quarts format with AI-assisted programs, full app control, and most impressively an included wireless food thermometer that monitors internal temperature in real time so you never overcook or undercook again. That level of precision is rare at any price point. Dishwasher-safe components keep cleanup simple, and the app interface makes it easy to manage cooking remotely from your phone. If you love smart home tech and want it applied to your kitchen, Tyfer nails it. The best smart air fryer for precision cooking and tech-savvy home cooks. Closing out our list, the Nuave Bravo XL Pro finishes strong with a massive 30 quarts capacity and a temperature range that stretches from 50°F all the way to 500°F, the widest range on this entire list. Whether you're slow cooking, air frying, baking, roasting, or grilling at max heat, this machine handles all of it. The stainless steel construction feels built to last, and the ultra-fast convection system ensures that extra capacity doesn't slow down cook times. If you cook big and cook often, the Nuave delivers like nothing else. The best large-capacity air fryer for maximum versatility and serious high-heat cooking. And that's our full lineup of the best air fryers available right now. For the best all-around pick, the Cosori Turbo Blaze is hard to beat for everyday cooking. Want smart features? The Tyfer Sync is next level. Links for everything are in the description below. Which air fryer are you going with? Drop it in the comments. Hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Catch you in the next one.